guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at an exam style question about moles and limiting reactants. In this question we're told about an experiment in which 8.4 grams of iron is reacted fully with 3.6 grams of water, and this produces 11.6 grams of the product iron 2,3 oxide, which has the chemical formula Fe3O4. and just contains both iron in the Fe2+ and Fe3+ states. The other product in the reaction, we're told, is hydrogen, and in part A we're asked to calculate the mass of hydrogen that's produced. In order to answer this question, we need to remember a really important rule in chemistry, which is the law of conservation of mass. This tells us that in a chemical reaction, the mass of the reactants is always going to be equal to the mass of the products. In this instance, the mass of the reactants is going to be equal to the mass of iron added to the mass of water, and we were told these in the question, as 8.4 grams of iron reacted with 3.6 grams of water. If you add these together, you can see that the mass of the reactants in this chemical reaction is 12 grams, and therefore the mass of the products is also going to be 12 grams. We can therefore work out the mass of hydrogen produced by taking the total mass of the products, which is 12 grams, and subtracting the amount that was iron 2,3 oxide, which we're told in the question was 11.6 grams. We can therefore easily see that the mass of hydrogen produced in this reaction is going to be equal to 0.4 grams. And this is our answer to part A. This question is worth 2 marks, so you get 1 mark for correctly identifying that the mass of the reactants must be equal to the mass of products because of the conservation of mass. And you get your 2nd mark for getting your answer of 0.4, remembering to include your units as grams. In part B, we're told to use the masses of the reactants and products given in the question above in part A in order to write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction between iron and water. And as a hint, we're given a periodic table in order to help us. In order to write our balanced chemical equation, we therefore need to convert these masses into number of moles values. And we can do this by remembering the general equation that the number of moles of a substance.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.